Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with the new one to show you how you can do that to have a little bit more space here. So first you should hold for a while your screen with your finger, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we can select one from these available widgets on our screen. For example, we can go with the clock. Here we got two types of the clock, the analog one and the digital. We can go with the analog. Just hold for a while and drag this widget to the position where you want to just add it. So if you want, sure, you can change the size of the widget by this way. You can make it bigger or smaller. We can move here this widget on the screen, just hold it for a while and drag it, for example here on this down section. And also we can add here more widgets like the calendar schedule by the same way. Just tap it here and drag it here. Also we can by the same way make it smaller or bigger. And if you want, you can sure move the widgets between the screens, or also we can create the new screen with the widget. So as can you see, that's really simple. And if you want to just remove the widget here from our screen, just hold it for a while and drag it here up to the remove icon by this way. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.